Hola mi gente, I'm Jinny Riddle. I want to talk to you today about the eyelash curler, the mini and the classic. So stay tuned so I could give you the tips and tricks about these. I said, hi guys, so I'm back and I want to talk to you about the eyelash curler. So this is your traditional eyelash curler, this one right here, which I love, and a lot of you, I know that you have these at home and they're very practical and you're going to use them to curl your eyelashes. But a lot of you sometimes shy away because you really don't know how to use it. So I want to tell you the pros and cons about it. So this is your classic, like I was saying, and normally what you want to do is get close to the eye and you want to get the eyelash curler and you want to press and curl. A lot of times what a lot of people do, that get close but not close enough to the upper lash line, so when they squeeze, they're squeezing the eyelash halfway. So what happens over time when you continue doing that, your eyelashes start creating a line and that's how they start breaking. So the best way to use this is to get really close to the upper lash line and just press, because the purpose for this is to give you that lift. So keep that in mind, okay? Now, what I like about the mini one, I feel like people have better control because you could go section by section by section and you're not going to feel like you're going to be pinching yourself or your customers. Like this one is great for us makeup artists. It just works really well. We have better control and the clients feel a little bit more safe. So I'm going to show you how to use this one here, okay? So I'm going to have my lovely model turn this way. I'm going to use this one. If you notice, this one has no lashes. This one does have lash, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get close to the upper lash line, and all you have to do is press, release, and you go section by section by section. A lot of times people have nice eyelashes that they curl on the inner part, and a lot of times all you want to do is just curl the outer part of your lashes. So this comes in handy because that's all you're going to be using it for. You don't have to really curl the whole lash. So this is why I like this one right here. Another thing, the reason I prefer this one, and I've been using it now for about 1.5 years, turn this way, is that, for example, I went ahead and I put lashes on her, but a lot of times people have those lashes that stick down on the bottom. So if I was to use a regular eyelash curler, you can, but you're going to struggle a little bit more to wiggle and get the curler in there. And with the mini, it's really easy. You're just going to turn and go in there and curl hers with the falsie. Look guys, and you go section by section, and like the client doesn't feel like you're going to be pinching her. Because let's face it, anytime you see something coming straight at your eye, you're going to get nervous, right? So go ahead and look straight. And so see, like before you could see the lashes on the bottom, but by using this, now you can see that the lashes with the falsies are together. So these are some of the tips of why I prefer the mini eyelash curler versus the regular eyelash curler. Hi, I hope you guys did enjoy this video where I explained to you the difference on the mini curler and your classic eyelash curler. I do sell these here at the studio, so if you are from El Paso area, feel free to come and visit me. I'm going to have the information linked below. You could call me and I will have them here available at the studio again. Eventually I'm going to have them on my website, which is going to be jinnyriddle.com. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, you could follow me on Instagram. I'm under Jinny Riddle Makeup Studio. So I hope you did enjoy this and have a great evening, and bye mi gente.